The trail does not care how much you paid. It only cares what the bike does when the ground stops being flat.
Trek Fuel LX 9.8. It is a rowdy carbon trail bike ready to slay steep descents and blast through wheel-gobbling terrain. An OCLV Mountain Carbon frame with clearance for 29 by 2.5 tires. A Fox Factory 38 fork with 170 millimeters of travel. A Fox DHX2 shock at the back. Grip where a rigid bike would be skipping. SHIMANO XT DI2, 12-speed, one ring up front, nothing to think about on the climb. SHIMANO XT M822 hydraulic disc brakes on Bontrager Line Comp 30 wheels. Trek Fuel LX 9.8, $6,999, built for the trail.